helping out! Choose a new toy! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Forward! Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Well done! Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. That's perfect! That's the way! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy! Where to now? Right leads to Knapford Station's just ahead. Right leads to the lava quarry. Right leads to the lava quarry. Forward! Knapford Station's just ahead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Match the color of the passengers by dragging them from the platform to the square of the same color.